If you don't understand why Java was created, you will never fully understand how Java works. And that confusion will follow you into interviews, backend development, and system design. Today we rebuild from zero. Why Java needs to exist. The 90s platform problem, bytecode plus JVM revolution, security and memory decision, enterprise design trade-offs, interview architecture clarity. I will be honest, I studied Java in BC and MCA. I write code, I pass exams, but I never asked why was Java created in the first place. That gap created confusion later. So now, we rebuild properly. Before learning syntax, we must answer, why did Java even needs to exist? What problem was it solving? Why didn't C or C++ solve that problem? Why do companies still rely on Java? If we skip this, Java becomes just another language. But once you understand its origin, everything about JVM, bytecode, memory, OOPS, security start making sense. Interviews often test this indirectly. Why is Java platform independent? Why is Java secure? Why is Java slower than C? Why is Java used in enterprise? If you don't know its origin, you memorize answer. We are not memorizing, we are rebuilding. Java is high level, object oriented, platform independent programming language designed to be simple, secure, portable, robust and scalable. It was created in 1995 by James Gosselin and his team at Sun Microsystems. But that's not enough, we need context. Let's go back to early 90s. Computers were different. Windows machine, Unix systems, embedded devices, set-top boxes, early internet systems. Programs written in C or C++ were platform dependent, meaning if you wrote a program for Windows, you had to rewrite or recompile it differently for Unix. This created massive compatibility issue. Manual memory management caused crashes. Pointers misuse caused security vulnerabilities. Software portability was painful. Sun Microsystems started something called the Green Project. Goal was to create software that could run on different devices without rewriting. Initially, it wasn't even for the web apps. It was for the embedded devices. The language was first called Oak, later renamed to Java. Now comes the revolutionary idea. The core idea was simple but powerful. Instead of compiling code directly to machine code, compile it into an intermediate form. That intermediate form could run on any machine that had a virtual machine. This became bytecode plus JVM. Java code compiled into bytecode. Bytecode runs on JVM. JVM is Java Virtual Machine. This is what created write once, run anywhere. That is VORA. Instead of rewriting your code for every OS, you just install JVM on that OS and the same .class file runs everywhere. That was